This year's design strikes a good balance. It's eye-catching, and clearly a gaming laptop, but doesn't get too out of hand. The two-tone top shell is part plastic, part carbon fiber and emblazoned with the blood-red Omen logo. One big design plus is on the bottom frame, which slopes inward under the ports section, meaning it's slimmer on the sides, where you'll grip it when moving around. Display size resolution 15-inch 1920x1080 display PC CPU 2.8 GHz Intel Core i7-7700HQ PC memory 16GB DDR4 SDRAM 2400 MHz graphics 6GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 with Max Q design storage 256GB SSD plus 2TB HDD networking 802.11 AC wireless, Bluetooth 4.0 operating system Windows 10 Pro, 64-bit. It's not just a gaming laptop from the outside. Above the keyboard, you'll find two pentagonal hinges reminiscent of something you'd see on an Alienware laptop. The keyboard, like previous models, is lit up with red backlights. With no number pad or freaky trackpad placement, there's plenty of keyboard space, and for me the key depth felt just right. The comfortable keyboard is one of many utilities the laptop gets right. The Bang & Olufsen speakers are loud and not too tinny, unlike the Asus ROG G752 Versus. Plus, its touchpad isn't awkwardly placed, missized or too finicky, which you can't say about the Razer Blade Pro or the Origin Ion 15S.